Hello, everybody. Hello. How's everybody doing? You can leave me a comment because this is our digital concert. And we're coming to you from B Live on Air at the Barbara Campbell Television Studio here in Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. Get anything set up.
Hey, Barbara. Let me tell you a story Sonny Terry tells.
Okay.
So, guy says to him, "Listen, I got a show on Broadway I want you to play with every night." Oh, okay, I'm very interested. He said, "You got to play the same thing every night, the same way." Same thing every night? That's right, the same thing every night, the same way every night. So I can't do that. I play it the same way every night, the same way. I can't do that. I don't play the same thing every night. I play the blues. I play it different every night. You got to play the same thing every night. I got to play the same thing every night? That's right, you got to play the same thing every night. I said, "Well, how much are you going to pay me for that?" He told me. I said, "I can play the same thing every night." And now we got a little blues.
These are our live recordings. And we're coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. And we are talking stories of rock star. That's a rock star story. It is. Here we go, everybody. Something new. Recording. New song. Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights. This is a new recording. DC guitarist, a lot of stuff. Blues, gospel, jazz and country all cross paths in the southern part of the United States. From New Orleans to the Tennessee, to Georgia, to the Mississippi Delta, the music traveled and migrated and influenced me. Oh, blues, gospel, jazz and country all influence me. Yeah, Memphis, Cotton Country, Raunchy, where Carl Parton, Elvis Presley, Muddy Waters, the king of country music, and Bo Diddley came from. Blues, gospel, jazz, and country. The blues. Let's go from the top, everybody. Blues, gospel, jazz and country. Oh, cross path in the southern part of the United States. USA, baby. USA. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. That's my new song, Blues, Gospel, Jazz, and Country. You can pre-order this song starting right now. You can pre-order, and you can find all the information on our website. Please be subscribed to our YouTube channel at Barbara Campbell Television. This show is brought to you by Barbara Campbell Television Studio. Be live on air, and we are covering and featuring our song series. Creator producer. I am an independent digital music artist coming to you from Brooklyn, Crown Heights, and it's a beautiful time to be here in New York City. And if you can watch our show online, our digital concerts are available. And one day, near soon, save the date, we will be at a live concert and we're looking at a chance to see you all. But for my fans and supporters of Barbara Campbell Music and what we do here on our digital platform, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I talked about via the pandemic I overcame my shyness, and here I am. I had no idea that I would be a singer and writing songs and creating music. But everything I do has a cause and a mission. And I talk about music heals the soul. And I hope that you are inspired and whatever you set your mind on, you can do. Music heals the soul. Till then, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn. You count, stay green. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you.